In this video I'm going to show you how to fix slow call volume on iPhone. So the first thing is just to use this side volume up and down around the call to make it louder or decrease the loudness. The next thing is that you go to settings, you go to accessibility. Then what you'd want to do is click on this touch here, the first option, scroll down until you see call audio routing, and that means that call audio routing determines whether audio will be heard during a phone call or a FaceTime audio. So you can have it automatic, Bluetooth headset or speaker. Next, what you want to do is go back and scroll down until you see hearing devices, and then you can turn this on and connect with specific hearing devices. Next, if you go to audio and visuals, you can have headphone accommodations, because once enabled you can customize the audio for supported Apple and Beats headphones. The next thing you can do is have mono audio, have like more on the right ear or the left ear, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.